So after purchasing, we want to connect domain to Linode. Okay, so we have to add the DNS, which is the A record we have to put. Okay, and let's add it. Okay, let's how to add this one, right? So you go to your domain section. Okay, and here you see this DNS, right? In this DNS, what you have to do, you can see this a@parked is there, right? We want to remove this. Okay, or we can just edit it. Here instead of parked, we have to put this IP address. Okay, put this IP address and just say 1 hour enough. Save, and let's add another a record. Add new record, select A, and this will be www because we also want www to be working, and we'll put the IP address and let's set save. Okay, record name www conflicts with another record. Where is another record? Okay, so here it is. All right, so CNAME is added, so I think we don't need to add this one. Let's delete it. So we have a record with this IP address, and we also have the CNAME, which is alias, with this www. So both will work. Okay, so this need not to be a record. This can be CNAME. All right. Okay, so we have to actually wait for some minutes. Okay, so minutes or hours. It's a propagation time, but it doesn't take that much long. It should work in few minutes. Okay, but meanwhile, what we'll do is we will add our domain to the Nginx. Okay,